Okay, I want to show you the kind of article this software can create. As you can see, it is an article with the index. If you click on the link, it will take you to the section of that particular topic. And these are the long and up to 2000 word article this software can create for you. And this is another way, another kind of article with subheadings. The transcript is being divided into several subheadings, and these are the long article with the subheadings. As you can see, it's more than 2000 words here, and this is the same transcript of the video, and it is another but a smaller version of the transcript, but still some headings all. And this is another, and the whole transcript is divided into 10 to 20 main. Hello friends, let me quickly demonstrate you the BlogOmatic software, and want to show you how this software actually works. I will try to keep the length of the video as short as I can, because I am going to demonstrate only the important things of the software, but detailed tutorial will be available once you purchase the software. And there are few options here. When you start the page, you will be on this page. You click the module. There are two modules. One is to find the YouTube videos that you want to convert to the articles. Okay, if you have already done that, you don't have to select this. You select only the post content on the website. Okay, but if you want to search the videos first before you don't have the videos to post, then you have to click this yes, find content to post on the website. Okay, then we have this option to post those videos into your WordPress website. Okay, next thing we have API AI options. Here there are two options: Chat GPT free version, the web based, and another is API based. You can find the details which option are available in the standard package or which are available in the professional package of the software. Okay, so I am explaining this free version. Here are two options. If you want to rewrite the title, you need to rewrite the title using Chat GPT based on the transcript. Okay, or if you want to just rewrite the title based on the original title of the YouTube video. Okay, there are two options. It's up to you which way you want to go. And then we have different kind of articles that this software can generate. You can see all kind of articles that this software can generate on the landing page, like article with the index, article with the subheadings. The whole transcript is divided into several subheadings, or transcript in major points, major 10 to 20 points. Okay, so these are the all kind of stuff or kind of articles that you can generate using the transcript of the video. Okay, then we have what we have is the main option. Here it is starting from, means that I will explain this thing in the tutorial section. And major thing is that you can translate the transcript into the language, whichever language you want. Like suppose if you want to translate the content of the video in Germany, you type the E here, or if you want to translate in Hindi, it's HI. If translate you want in English, EN or EN, whatever you want. Okay, so they are the code that you need to use to translate the content of the transcript. Okay, so what else left now? It's I think all done. Okay, so I want to show you how to find the content just by clicking this button, clicking this option to post content on the website. Sorry, find content on to post on the site. So click OK. Here you go. Here this is the small browser, integrated browser of the software. Here you just need to enter the keyword that you want to find videos. Suppose I am going with the dog training. I want to find these videos, and there is a one website that have lots of article regarding the dog training, and here you need to specify that website details like the username, app password of the WordPress website. I have the tutorial how to create the app password, because the software is using REST API to create post on the WordPress. And then we of course we will need the URL of the website, just the root domain, and then save the account. Okay, next you have to specify the category. For like if it is kind of dog training videos that I want to post on the website, then we can specify some category here. Okay, and then we have this option, select website and categories. Suppose you have already saved the data of username, password and websites and categories, and save these details, then you have the option to load the data here. As you can see, if I load it, already fetching the data from the database. Now I can select the website. This is the website that I want to I am selecting the videos, and this is the category for which I am finding the videos. And this video you can play of course. This video I want to post on my website, and I will go and click this, hit selection or submit the selection. Okay, video saved successfully. Now you can close this, and okay, we can now go here, and instead of selecting this module, now we can select this. Of course you can select both, like first selecting the content and then select the option of creating the article on the WordPress website. So this is the basic small demo of the video. I try to keep the video as short as, but still few things that need to be explained I explained here. And full training how to use this software will be provided along with your purchase. Thanks for watching. Thank you.